Managing subcontractors can often be a hassle, but with CoConstruct, it's as streamlined as possible. Whether you're managing a small project or coordinating multiple subcontractors on large scale jobs, this step by step guide will show you how to do it all effectively using CoConstruct's powerful features. Stick around until the end because we've got an exclusive offer where you can try this software completely free, plus a special bonus to boost your project management game. Let's dive right in. First things first, when you're managing subcontractors with CoConstruct, the first thing you need to do is set up your project details. CoConstruct makes it easy to organize your project from start to finish. Once your project is set up, you can add subcontractors directly to the project by inputting their details, and you'll have access to all their information in one place. This keeps things simple and avoids confusion later on. Next thing, you'll want to use the scheduling feature. CoConstruct allows you to set specific timelines for each subcontractor and assign tasks. This makes it easy to ensure that every subcontractor knows exactly what they're doing and when they're supposed to do it. You can even set up automated reminders to avoid missed deadlines, keeping everything on track. The third thing CoConstruct does really well is help with communication. Instead of hunting through emails or text messages, everything is centralized in the software. You can message your subcontractors directly through CoConstruct, and they can update their progress in real time. This cuts down on back and forth and speeds up response times. The fourth thing CoConstruct excels at is managing budgets and costs. With subcontractors involved, it's easy for things to get out of hand, but with CoConstruct, you can track your spending as it happens. You can create budgets, monitor expenses, and even keep an eye on the cost of each subcontractor's work. This way, you'll always know where your project stands financially. Moving on to the next step, CoConstruct's change order feature is a real lifesaver. Projects often go off course, and when they do, you need a way to adjust contracts and budgets without losing track. With CoConstruct, you can create and manage change orders seamlessly, and subcontractors can sign off on them right from the platform. This helps you avoid any surprises when the project finishes. The next thing CoConstruct helps with is document management. As you work with subcontractors, you'll be dealing with a lot of paperwork, contracts, insurance, permits, etc. CoConstruct lets you upload and store all your documents directly in the platform, keeping everything in one place and easily accessible whenever you need it. The last thing I want to mention is CoConstruct's ability to generate reports. Whether you're reviewing your project's overall progress, financial health, or subcontractor performance, CoConstruct's reporting tools allow you to generate reports quickly. This gives you an overview of your project's health and helps you make informed decisions as things move forward. Now, if you're ready to start managing your subcontractors with ease, don't forget that you can use CoConstruct completely free from the first link below. Plus, we've got exclusive bonuses to make your experience even better. Take full advantage of CoConstruct's features and start streamlining your project management today. By the way, we've mentioned that there's a special extended free trial waiting for you, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your projects.